This lesson is on simultaneous equation using substitution method. Given the question, solve x minus 2y equals to 4 and 2x plus 5y equals to 17 by substitution method. To write out the first one, 2 equals to this, call this equation 1, this equation 1, 2x plus 5y equals to 17. Let this be equation 2. Now we look at this. The unitary coefficient is here where you have the coefficient of x equals to 1. So from this equation 1, we now say from equation 1, from equation 1, you make x the subject of the formula. That is x equals to 4. Take this to the other side, you have plus 2y. This is now equation 3. Now from x is equals to the whole of this. So you now substitute 4 plus 2y for this x in equation. Remember we started from equation 1, so we now substitute in equation 2. Recall equation 2. What do you have? The equation 2 is 2x plus 5y equals to 17. Remember we have to substitute for x. So here, where you have this x, you will substitute 4x plus 2y. So 2 into 4 plus 2y plus 5y equals to 17. Remove this bracket, that's multiply. So 2 times 4 plus 2 times 2y plus 5y equals to 17. This is 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 times 2y is 4y plus 5y equals to 17. Let's add this. 8 plus 4 plus 5 is 9y equals to 17. Collect like terms. So you have 9y. Check this 8 to the other side. You have 17 minus 8. So 9y equals to 9. You now divide both sides by the coefficient of y, that is 9. So you have 9y divided by 9 equals to 9 divided by 9. This 9 will cancel this. So y equals to 1. The value of y is 1. To obtain the value of x, we now substitute y equals to 1 in equation 3. Let's look at equation 3. What we have as equation 3? Equation 3 is x equals to 4 plus 2y. So x equals to 4 plus, where you have y, you now put 1. X equals to 4 plus 2 times 1. X equals to 4 plus 2. So x equals to 6. At the end of this equation, x equals to 6 and y equals to 1. This point solves this simultaneous equation.